a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
This wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Hebe short curly pixie cut lace front wig, pre-bleached knots, 8-inch. Child, I guess that's the name of it. I also have on the site, because they sent me a paper, I have two different things I'm kind of reading off of. It says it's pre-plucked already, hairstylist customized color. Child, it appears to be a natural color, but maybe it's black. I mean, I don't know. Full density, the wig is 150% density, and for a unit this length, 150% is cool with me. It says clear lace, and this lace fits most skin colors, so, and it's melted into scalp, so it's not a brown lace or anything like that. You guys know sometimes I struggle with the brown lace because it can be a little too dark, even though I'm a brown girl, okay? It can sometimes be a little too dark. So it has on here no baby hair. Child, I gave myself some. Okay, 13 by 4 lace front wig. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. Okay, so on the site it says Wequeen Hebe short. Oh girl, it's so pretty. I love pretty people. I love pretty people. But anyways, Wequeen Hebe short curly pixie cut lace front wig, pre-bleached knots. And I'm gonna click on the product detail. It does say it's pre-plucked. And then on here it says baby hair around the perimeter. So I'm guessing what they sort of mean is it has baby hair, but it's not needed. Like, you know, you can put baby hairs in there if you want to, but it's not a necessity with this unit. I'm guessing that's what they getting at. So it says not so pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. You can dye and perm this hair and do all that good stuff. It says 1B natural black is the hair color. Texture curly. The model is wearing 8 inches. I am also wearing 8 inches. And the cap size is average. The construction is 13 by 4. And the density is 150%. So those are all the details and specs with this wig. Now it does say it comes in an average cap size. I do want to throw it out there. To me, this wig is small to medium head friendly. You can wear this wig glueless. It did come with straps and little things in here that you can wear it glueless if you want to. I decided not to, but it is an option with this wig. So I'm guessing that's why it's a little more snug than not. That is purely my opinion. I feel like it's a little snug, girl, okay? So I just want to throw that out there, that I feel like this particular wig is small to medium head friendly and not medium to large head friendly. Now that's pretty speculation. I am an average cap size, and I determine whether a unit is large head friendly or not based off if I have to adjust the strap. And with this wig, I had adjusted straps, and girl, she didn't want to go on, okay? So I was like, okay, so this wig is definitely geared more to small head to medium head friendly than not. So just want to throw that out there. Like I said, it's speculation, honey. Purely speculation. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular wig, I mean, girl, she's this long. So had she shed or tangled, I've been like, you gotta go back home. Okay, you gotta go back to your folks. But with this unit, I did not experience any shedding. I did not experience any tangling. That's not to say at some point, oh, girl won't do any of the things. I don't expect her to. Okay, I don't expect her to do any other things, but that's not to say that at some point that it won't. But straight out of the packaging, I have not received any shedding or tangling with this unit. And as they stated, it did come pre-tweezed and pre-bleached and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about her, as well as the full 360 and products that I use, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so you guys know I love a good short curly pixie. Okay, I just do. That is probably like one of my favorite sort of wigs, and it's usually you guys' favorite sort of wigs to see on me. And I know a few of y'all are like, girl, I don't like that short hair. I don't like that short hair. That ain't for me. I get it, girl, okay? But at least we're reaching a broad span of people, okay? We got some girls that love the long hair. We got some girls that love the straight hair. We got the girls that love the short hair. We got the girls that love the short curly pixies, okay? So we trying to reach you all, honey. But me, personally, curly pixies are just a favorite for me because I feel like they take the less amount of effort and they still cute. And it also makes me feel sort of like sophisticated hot mom. Like I don't know, it just gives me something, okay? So yeah, I definitely love this unit. My husband saw it right before he went to work and he was like, ooh, babe, it's been a minute since you did one of them. You look hot, okay? So of course that makes me like it even more. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig. As far as things that I had to put on the unit, honestly I only put water and gel on it. I use my Eco Styling Gel and water, and I did put some mousse to just kind of create a little part, but I didn't really want the part to show. I just wanted the hair to kind of go and do its own thing, but I wanted to throw that out there as well so you guys would know. And yeah, that is basically it with this unit. I am feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe, it is everything to me. I do not look forward to taking it off Wednesday. Today is Monday. I don't look forward to taking it off even Wednesday. Yeah, I don't even look forward to taking this unit off Wednesday. They're just keeping a whole buck with you, okay? So I am definitely feeling it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And honey, don't worry about my kitchen. Don't worry about my kitchen. Worry about your kitchen, okay? And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I am really feeling this wig. If you are feeling it as well and are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Wequeen, for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, shit, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or stuff I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Helped Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.